Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing assets and registering. Choose one profitable niche and build real pages or videos that solve problems. Once done, gather identity docs, BVN or NIN, and a valid Nigerian bank account to receive payments. Make sure to publish at least 8 to 15 high-quality posts so AdSense sees real traffic and compliance. This early step speeds approval and prevents rejections. It also trains you to create repeatable content that attracts advertisers and search visibility. Now optimize and monetize. Implement responsive ad units and experiment with placements above the fold and inside content where users engage. You must improve RPM by increasing CTR. Use compelling headlines, image thumbnails, and fast page speed. Make sure pages are mobile first. Once ads run, integrate analytics and AdSense reporting to track sessions, sources, ad clicks, and RPM over 2 to 4 weeks. This data shows what works and where to scale, so you spend budget and time on high-return pages. Finish by scaling and securing revenue. Double down on pages that earn most, update content, repurpose into video, and drive traffic with SEO or targeted ads. Make sure you understand payments. AdSense pays at $100 threshold. Check your bank's conversion fees and schedules so you actually receive funds. If you hit a problem like disapproval or low RPM, check policy violations or deceptive placements first. Fix them. Wait 48 to 72 hours, then reapply or request review. This single troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.